event namin. So, do you have like gist idea what we are doing? Like who we are, what are we doing, what our mission and vision? Wala? Ako, patay. Since hindi... Alright, moving forward. I think na-mention naman na ni Kong Walter na we are the bridge link from the national athlete to the POC. So we are the voice of the national athletes to the POC. So yung meron tayong mga messages na nagre-renege or nag-message to our social media, nakakaabot yan siya. Even the NSA president na lumalapit sa amin and make it happen, sana sabihin natin pagdating sa executive board meeting. And also, we shall assist the POC achieve its mission by providing a critical link between the POC leaders and the athletes. And I think mag-move forward na rin with, as Com said, baka masama na natin yung PSC, which is, ito rin naman is sa mga purpose ng Athletes Commission is to collaborate with everyone. And giving opportunity for athletes like you guys. So, yun, we are the POC Athletes Commission. So this is our mission, to ensure that the voice of the Philippine National Athletes will be expressed, heard, and submitted to the POC Executive Board and their associate decision-making bodies. So, hindi lang naman sila dire-diretso nag-decide, they still consult us sa Athletes Commission kung ano ba, especially sa mga events, and it show us during the Paris 2024, malaking factor yung naging Athletes Commission representative during the games, as in madami siyang naging decision na pinalo ng IOC and the IOC Athletes Commission during the Paris 2024 games. So, yun. Let's move forward with the function. So currently, this is the function of the Athletes Commission. We have a chair, vice chair, 2 Olympian representative, and other members. Early of this year, we had the election, the POC Athletes Commission election. And I think from the previous election, this election was successful and pinakamalaki siya na naging active lahat ng national athletes. I think we garnered around 120 votes or participant for this event. Kasi from the previous, when I was elected during the 2020, parang 80 lang yata kami or 70 sa ultra pa. So I think this one is successful. Mabot kami almost 120. So I think that's one. And yeah, we're just gonna invite to everyone to be active and participate on all activities of the Athletes Commission. So moving forward, let me introduce to you the members and who won the election of this term, 2024 to 2028, AC Athletes Commission members. So I'm here truly yours, Jessie Lacuna from swimming. Oh, that's fun. May Vice Chair Ina Palacios from football, nandito po siya. We have EJ Obiela from pole vault, and Nesty Petercio from boxing. Si EJ and si Nesty, they're representing the Athletes Commission from the General Assembly. So they have this power also to vote for this coming POC election. So sila po yung mag-vote, magre-represent ng Athletes Commission for their vote. And let me tell you na yung vote nila hindi vote personal. It's a collective effort and collective decision by the Athletes Commission. So just to reiterate, hindi nila decision na vote ni Nesty. It's a vote of the Athletes Commission. And last but not the least, our last member is Jack Animan from basketball na super active din. So yeah, sila po yung being Athletes Commission for this term, and feel free to message them in Instagram. Siguro na kina-follow nyo naman sila sa Instagram or me. Pwede kayo mag-message anytime. The line is open if you have any concerns regarding, with your sports, NSA, and everything. Allowances, diretso na daw po kay Com. Alright, moving forward, let me show you our AC strat plan na we're